Finally, the day came when everyone who owned XRP Ripple could breathe a sigh of relief. You might be curious about why. This is because Coinbase, one of the biggest platforms, has started to help XRP Ripple's price rise. How is it possible? Watch this video to find out. But Coinbase isn't the only one involved. XRP Ripple is also getting help from BlackRock and the biggest banks in the world. Are you all set for this? Let's get into it. Nota bene, let us take it one step at a time. In a recent court case that sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency business, in its fight with the Securities and Exchange Commission, Coinbase came out on top. What happened when the SEC lost against Coinbase was a big deal for both the platform and the crypto market as a whole, especially XRP Ripple. The main issue in this court case was how to classify digital goods that were sold on secondary markets. The CC's decision that these sales are not stocks not only supports the case, but also sets a standard that could affect other cryptocurrencies in a big way. XRP from Ripple is one example. I can't stress enough how important this victory is, especially for Ripple, which has been in its own legal fight with the SEC over how to classify XRP. Now that the SEC's position on sales on the secondary market is clear, Ripple may be in a better position to claim that XRP is not a security. This might make it easier for regulators to understand XRP, which is a big step towards its widespread use and integration in the financial world. In his tweet, Jack the Rippler expressed what most people in the XRP community feel, which is faith that Ripple will win again. The possibility that XRP will get full legal clarity and the go-ahead from the SEC is very exciting for both the cryptocurrency and the financial world as a whole. It's getting more and more rumored that the SEC will hold a meeting behind closed doors on April 11th to talk about a possible deal with Ripple. Crypto Barbie's tweet adds to the rumors. The date of this meeting and the SEC's recent loss to Coinbase have made people more optimistic that things will go well for Ripple. People in the crypto community are feeling very optimistic after Coinbase's win, as shown by Brett Hill's enthusiastic reaction. This change has effects that go beyond legal fights. They could change the way investors feel and the way the market works, especially for XRP Ripple. What will happen to the price of XRP, though? The crypto market is known for being very responsive to changes in regulations, and legal fights can cause prices to drop quickly. However, the general feeling among investors since Coinbase's win shows that they are more optimistic, which could lead to XRP's price going up. As more attention is paid to companies like Coinbase in the industry, questions are raised about what role they might play in helping Ripple's legal fight against the SEC. Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency companies, so it has a lot of power and resources that could be used to help Ripple. Coinbase could make a big difference in the outcome of Ripple's legal fight by publicly supporting them, giving them legal help, or speaking out in support of them. But the real fun starts when we talk about how this win is sparking a wave of optimism for XRP Ripple that has never been seen before. The call for support for Ripple's cause is getting stronger every day, from banks to multi-billion-dollar businesses expressing hope for a bright future. Keep an eye on it. Things are about to get exciting. While the legal fight between Ripple and the SEC is still going on, something important has happened that might tip the scales in Ripple's favor. While the court case was still going on 4 years ago, Bank of America decided to take XRP Ripple off its list. Now that we are in the present, though, the winds of change are clear. Even though the case is still going on, one of the world's biggest banks, by saying it supports Ripple, Bank of America has made a clear decision. The fact that Bank of America chose to use XRP for payment is nothing short of it shows that XRP's unique value offering is becoming more and more known in the financial world, which is why XRP Ripple is different from other coins. XRP is a great choice for making international transfers easier because it is fast and can be scaled up or down, with transaction times measured in seconds and fees cut down to a few cents. When compared to traditional banking methods, XRP is much more efficient. Its use of the XRP ledger and consensus algorithm makes sure that deals around the world are quick and safe. XRP's network of partners is also growing quickly, with more and more banks and other financial institutions using XRP in their daily work. From Standard Chartered to Santander, now these relationships not only show that XRP is useful, but also make it easier for banks to use them in a lot of places. The news that Bank of America has decided to use XRP for payment has shocked people who use XRP. A lot of people think it was a turning point that will lead other big banks to do the same. The possibility that many financial companies will use XRP has given the market new hope, which could make more people want to buy it and raise the price of XRP Ripple. But while the community enjoys this important event, it is important to remember that the legal fight between Ripple and the SEC is still going on. The outcome of the case is still unclear, and there are still unknowns about how it will be resolved. In any case, Bank of America's vote of confidence in XRP Ripple is a strong endorsement of its promise. It also helps Ripple as it navigates the rough legal waters. The story doesn't end there, though. Get ready for more action as the biggest company and biggest bank in the world join the XRP Ripple group. You might have thought things couldn't get any better, but they do. Many people in the crypto world are shocked by this latest event and want to know what it means for the future of XRP Ripple. We're sure you won't want to miss this. Big banks like BlackRock and JP Morgan's recent moves into the world of XRP Ripple have sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency world. There are now over 7.5 million coins in circulation, which shows that people are becoming more and more optimistic about XRP's future. It was a good point made by Ben Armstrong that these changes should not be taken lightly because they are a big change in how the standard financial world sees digital assets. JP Morgan has been quietly buying over 7.5 million XRP coins, which is more than 7.5% of the company's total wealth. This shows that the bank is becoming more confident in XRP's potential. An investment of this size in a single cryptocurrency by a big financial institution is not often seen. However, JP Morgan's decision to do so shows that things are changing. XRP is now seen as a more valuable currency, even though Ripple Labs is still in court cases. In the same way, BlackRock's decision to look into adding XRP to investments is another sign of trust from the biggest asset manager in the world. If BlackRock and XRP work together, it will not only prove that the cryptocurrency is real, but it will also make it easier for more big investors to buy it. But what's making big banks like BlackRock and JP Morgan take such risky actions? This is the faith in XRP's future and its part in changing the way money works. Even though Ripple is being sued by the SEC, these organizations seem to be ignoring the lawsuits and putting a lot of money on XRP, which is quickly becoming an important part of the financial system. Armstrong was right when he said that this is a very important time for cryptocurrencies to become part of regular banking. The acts of BlackRock and JP Morgan say a lot about how crypto is going from being seen as a weird experiment to a real asset class that should be taken seriously. Armstrong said that the big financial players are betting on XRP. This vote of trust could have big effects on people who own XRP. With more money being put into XRP by big institutions, the cryptocurrency is likely to become more accepted and used in mainstream banking. These changes affect more than just people who own XRP. They mark a turning point for the whole cryptocurrency community. With the support of big names like BlackRock and JP Morgan, the use of crypto in traditional finance could grow very quickly, taking the whole industry. Armstrong says it very well. We're living through a turning point in the integration of cryptocurrencies into mainstream banking. Analysts on the market are now daring to think that XRP could hit $1,000 soon. The crypto community is buzzing about this bold statement, which has led to debates and discussions about whether or not such a huge price increase is possible. But what makes people so optimistic, and what does the future hold for XRP Ripple? Ripple's big plan to start a platform that would let governments make their own digital currencies is a big reason why these price predictions are so high. A huge 7.5 billion people around the world could be able to access the XRP ledger through this new project. Massive usage would have huge effects and could make XRP one of the most important digital currencies in the world. But what might be even more interesting is that Arthur Brito, one of the original founders of XRP, has said good things about its promise. Brito's claim that XRP is meant to be worth $10,000 shows how much he believes in the long-term prospects of the cryptocurrency. Many people who are interested in XRP think that the digital asset can go as far as it wants to go. When we think about these huge events, it's clear that XRP Ripple is about to cause a paradigm shift. With the support of many people through Ripple's platform focused on the government and the unwavering belief of experts in the field like Arthur Brito, XRP has all the ingredients to change the very idea of value in the coin world. But will XRP really reach $1,000? As some experts say, only time will tell. But one thing is still certain. The road ahead for XRP Ripple looks like it will be nothing but exciting. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Do you think XRP Ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. We'd be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. If you liked the information and thought it was useful,